Hello, my name is METİN ARIDAŞIR. This is 57th part of explanation of my theory. ARIDAŞIR's energy constancy law for free electron motion form. Mechanical, electrical, magnetic laws are invalid for electron motion form. According to my theory and my formulas, electron-photon collision doesn't change the energy of the electron. If we apply a certain value electric potential to an electron, we cannot change its initial energy. This is free electron motion form at rest, that is intrinsic immanent motion form, belongs to meta-sensation perception matter, and its total energy, say its normal lambda n wavelength, is equal to 0.2 nanometer. Okay? All its spherical surface, first cycle surface, second cycle surface, this is, remember my formula, En alpha is equal to hc divided by n square lambda n minus delta lambda cosine alpha. If alpha is 90 degree in all direction, here only lambda n, remember. And another formula, my formula, lambda n alpha is equal to hc n square lambda n in parentheses c minus electron motion form's velocity cosine alpha. Remember, I don't want to repeat and repeat again and again. Here. Its total energy, as it is at rest, is equal to it is at rest, say. Its in motion total energy in motion equal. At all point energy of this at rest electron motion form same, but when it is in motion, this is the direction of motion, say, at 90 degree, its wave velocity, wavelength and point energy is different. At 30 degree, different. At 40 degree, different. Each of angle, at each of angle, different energies. Okay. Energy distribution is changing while relocating, while it is in motion. But its total energy, it is at rest or it is in motion, electron motion form, for electron motion form, total energy doesn't change and frequency doesn't change. This is my law. ARIDAŞIR's energy frequency constancy law for free electron motion form. Electron-photon collision doesn't change the energy of the electron, initial energy of the electron. If we apply a certain value electric potential to an electron, we cannot change its energy. If we kick the electron with a photon, we cannot transfer extra energy to the electron. If we kick the electron with the photon, the electron's initial energy doesn't change. If you say, make a head-on collision between photon and electron, you cannot transfer extra energy from the photon to the recoiling electron. Compton effect, photon-electron colliding theory that seemed as proof of Einstein photon theory is wrong. Vice versa. If an electron decelerates by some effects, say Bremsstrahlung, these electrons' total and initial energy don't change. Its energy doesn't reduce and vice versa. According to my theory and my formulas, ARIDAŞIR's energy-frequency-constancy law, in spite of making the electron gain velocity, nothing that is applied on an electron mechanically or electrically, magnetically, or by increasing the temperature makes the electron gain or lose energy. Nothing that is applied on an electron mechanically or electrically makes change the electron's total energy. In spite of, if we apply at rest electron motion form, some effect like applied voltage, yes, we make the electron gain velocity, but this doesn't mean its energy and frequency is changed. No. We make electron gain velocity by some effect, applying voltage, raising temperature, etc. Or sending wave, they say particle photon sending, I say wave sending. If we apply on that at rest electron motion form some effects, and if we make electron motion form gain velocity, this doesn't mean it gain frequency, it gain extra energy. No, it's total energy and its frequency doesn't change. This is ARIDAŞIR's energy constancy law. This is so important because of Compton effect, Compton scattering, Bremsstrahlung, Duane-Hund law, matter wave theories, de Broglie theories, Einstein theories, etc. All of these theories are wrong. Yes. If you say make a head-on collision between photon and electron, you cannot transfer extra energy from the photon to the recoiling electron. Compton effect or inverse Compton effect is wrong. Compton effect photon-electron colliding theory that seemed as proof of Einstein photon theory is wrong, vice versa. If an electron decelerates by some effects, say Bremsstrahlung, this electron's total and initial energy don't change, its energy doesn't reduce and vice versa. 1. ARIDAŞIR's energy-frequency-constancy law. In spite of making the electron gain velocity, nothing that is applied on an electron mechanically or electrically, magnetically, or by increasing the temperature makes the electron gain or lose energy. Nothing that is applied on electron mechanically or electrically makes change the electron's total energy. 2. If we make the electron gain or lose velocity, if we make the electron accelerate or decelerate, we may only change the distribution of total energy on this surface of electron motion form. Relates to electron motion form's velocity and motion direction and angles relatively 0 degree in the direction of motion. These are my formulas here. And remember, D equal to C minus electron motion form's velocity cosine alpha. Lambda alpha is equal to lambda n minus delta lambda cosine alpha. Here, point energy is different. Here, point energy is different. Here, touching energy is different. Here, different. But totally same like this, like at rest, electron motion forms E for each total energy. Total energy and total energy. Total energy of electron motion form at rest equal to total energy electron motion form in motion. Yes. And wave velocities D different at each point, and wavelength is different at each point, and energy at each point is different. In spite of this, total energy and total energy at rest and in motion is equal. Total energy at rest is equal to total energy in motion of free electron motion form. Free electron motion form. Okay. Okay. Equal. Anything make change total energy of electron motion form in motion or at rest and its frequency. Except one thing. 3. We can only change the total energy and wavelength frequency of electron motion form by making its adiabatic medium part of meta-sensation perception matter shrink or enlarge. Remember, from my former videos, adiabatic universe, adiabatic meta-sensation perception matter and tension inside of that. If we reduce its this is our universe, meta-sensation perception matter. Okay. If we reduce its radius, small reducing, tension will increase, and this wavelength at a certain frequency, wavelength 1, frequency 1, and energy, total energy 1, okay, its wavelength will reduce, its frequency will increase, its wavelengths will reduce, and its total energy will increase. This is the condition for total energy changing. Okay. Have a good evening. See you later.